Hey guys, what you doing? Welcome and welcome
There we
back to
go.
this YouTube
There we
channel.
go.
And for the
Gentlemen, we
new
have come
viewers,
to the end
please
of the show.
subscribe to this
Before I malisa this
YouTube
show,
channel if
there
you've
we
not
go.
yet done that.
Tuko
And
hapo sasa,
hit the
tuko hapa.
notification bell so that anytime
Tuko hapo
we
sasa. Tuwe
upload a
hauleu.
video,
Tuwe
you
hauleu.
will be the
Aya,
first
let's
person
all
to
catch
view
up from that
it.
moment.
So on our today's video, we have Andrew Kibee saying some things about Ringtone,
Yes.
Apoko, and Mungai Eve.
Eh?
So,
Kuna
guys,
gonna check.
stay tuned and
Where
watch
is
this
Trevor?
video
Nowhere
to
to be
the
seen.
end.
He's not
Make
in the
sure
business.
you share the link with your friends,
Check
and
them,
you stay tuned for more
And I'll point you and I
and
won't say
more.
slippery when
This
wet.
happened during Mungai Eve's birthday, and there seems to be a conversation between Ringtone and Mungai Eve, and we don't know.
Wait,
We
wait,
can't
wait,
fall
wait, wait.
into
Trevor is
conclusions.
there.
We won't get
Trevor is
into
there.
conclusions, so we'll
Trevor is
just
there. You guys.
let you
I'm
view
done with
it
this,
and
please.
leave a
Just
comment
trust
of
me.
what you think.
Trevor
Is
there.
Andrew
Now,
Kibee right,
notice-
or is he just
notice, now this is what
overthinking?
women do. She was laughing at this guy's jokes because it doesn't matter when a guy has money or he looks like he has money, his jokes are very funny. Okay? But she's laughing and she's getting wet, and then she realizes that she owes allegiance to somebody here. Somebody who's holding the camera. So she looked up. Yes, you'll see her looking up. Okay? She looks up at him. Oh, please, I am not enjoying this as much as you think I am.